Hello guys! I just wanted to give a quick little intro before we get into the video. This is a full game that was played live on Twitch. I stream art and games on Twitch normally around 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you follow, you become a bat, and that's what the little bats are on the screen. But that's it. Why do I have teammates in ranked? Wait a minute, am I about to... What? Wait, I'm panicking. Can I have a squad? I don't have a squad! You better give me squad forgiveness. I'm true solo? Well, I ain't gotta worry about teammates being dumb. I don't know how to play this. Smash it. How do I play this? This has never happened before. I don't know what to do. You did want to solo rank. I mean, yeah, you got me there. I will go to the gardens because I love gardens. It's called being a rat. I don't want to be a rat though. Just time to squad wipe a team. You know how it goes. Actually, that one in the dropship was me. How many people are going to gardens? Too many people. I'm gonna go loot up over here, and I'm gonna go to the gardens. I'm dead. I might have fallen. Dude, after this, I'm watching that clip again on stream because it's so good. Does this mean I get to be my true charge rifle style? I think it means no close combat at all. We doing snipies only. And ranked, hello. Hi, it works every time. Not wrong. Why can't I have a squad? Like I wanted solo, but game? Is that a purple? Aw, I thought it was a purple shield. I was about to sing my purple shield song. Yeah, did I believe in you? I'm literally just gonna like suicide in the first team I find. I gotta get kill points. Casual 1v3s are not my strong suit. I can only do those when my Demi Buns teammate goes down, and then I use them as a shield. That's when I get my 1v3s. Dude, I'd rather not have a squad. Really? They get me killed? Honestly, can't relate. My teammate do something dumb, and as a lifeline, I'm like, it's my duty to protect you. But also, why are you so stupid? Qualms as a lifeline. I did clutch a few times already for me. It hurts. I sweat like a mofo, dude. Butt cheeks clenched. I'm like, what am I doing? I'm freaking out, man. But like, stuff. And I have stuff. Not what I wanted. This will take 100%. It's just like I didn't need this kind of stress, you know, where it's just like, can I not have this kind of stress, please? I don't want to be here for this. Is this a 4 times? Okay.
That's a foul ring.
Honestly, I do want a charge rifle. I'm a big fan of the charge rifle.
Only 45. Rings far.
Oh my god.
Attention, there is a new kill leader.
Like a refund of the boss battle, it only had white armor and dynamite. I'm sorry. Listen, the boss is not forgiving. He's very rude. It's not a fun time. Okay, so we're gonna play this super smart, as in
I'm fine with that.
we're only third partying. We are only ever gonna third party. And oh look, a third party. Who else asks for solo ranked and then literally gets solo? These are the questions I have. You best believe I'm gonna be running like hell. Somebody like ooga booga. I'll be like, goodbye. I'm not allowed to talk to strangers. Stranger danger. I have a sniper ammo if I'm gonna do the true sniper game. Oh no, you got scowled at. Basically, that means the boss is, if it hits you, it's gonna hit you hard. No purple club, but up.
Extra supplies. Good.
Also, charge rifle, police. Where we gotta go? Oh my
Let's go
god.
this way.
So it's a far ring. By a lot. How's your days going? I got a long run to make, and I got little legs, so we got plenty of time to talk. Stick to the sides, underground. Basically, okay, people did go over here, and people did go to the gardens. Honestly, my goal is to get like 1 kill. You know what would be best? What? Wingding. No! No wingding. Bing bong, the beans almost ready to cook? Hell yeah. I had chicken nuggies. I was gonna have Taco Bell, and then I was looking at it, and I was like, I want chicken nuggets. Like, honestly, that's what it came down to. So I had some chicken nuggets. Hello, streamer, artist, game developer, gamer, nerd. Hello! I only do one title for you, nerd. What's up? Later, we are gonna be developing the game a little bit more. I thought I heard sounds. I got so scared. I was like, no. Would you guys, like, try? 32. Yo. Okay, I don't want to get shot at anymore. Stop it.
Recharging my shield.
I got my 1 kill. I'm happy. We're positive. That's all. Goodbye. I was never here. You never saw me. I'm annoying. Hello. Go through the turban. And that one random kills the get your kill. Spin your bet. I got you. Don't you worry. Actually.
Patch me up, though.
I don't want to be predictable for that other squad. We need to go. Okay.
Might be something good this way.
I'm gonna wrap like all the way around. Go with them. Up now. Nope. Oh, me. You mean okay?
Got a replicator coming down.
No. I'm still giggling over that kill. I got my 1 kill and I'm positive. I'm chilling. I'm having a good time. See, I can go that way or I can just run the ground. I'm running over here. At least now I know for sure I'm not gonna lose anything. Okay. sniping ammo would be great right now, actually. Nothing. The game is gonna be tense.
Kill leader.
I'm already clenched. I'm stressed. Like, please don't be a full stack in the middle of this open field. Pretty please. Also, the fact that I'm positive, if you would have told me, hey, you're gonna go positive in a flat, I wouldn't have believed you. Like, no way. Where's Max and Ryan? Are they gonna play with you later?
One
No.
minute till ring close.
I'm solo today. Like, but it's by choice though. I want to be alone. I was playing with Jack and Vizzo earlier. Our games were insanely sweaty. Like, I'm tired just thinking
Rings
about
not
those
that far.
games. They were intense. Apex had solo. So when I say solo, that just means I'm not queuing with anybody. So it means I don't have like friends I'm playing with. It just means I want to play the game
30
by
seconds.
myself, which means I'm only gonna have random teammates. Yeah. So I'm only gonna have teammates that are random. So that means they're either gonna be really dumb, really good, maybe a little both. But it also means, I don't know, you get to learn how you play, in my opinion, that way.
Only 10 seconds left.
If they could fight each other, that would be great.
Warning. Ring closing.
Sneaky, sneaky. Heck it, I'm ready.
Care package being delivered.
Oh, this is just dirty. Perfect. I do is, well, solo rank until I'm good enough to play with friends. Confused you didn't get any. Yeah, right. Sneaky vamp. I'm sneaky.
Round 3. Beginning
And
ring
now.
countdown.
Sneak begins again. I want to get like a view on the enemy. I'm going back. No, I'm not
Attention.
committing to here.
Delivering
I
replicator.
think you saw me.
Got a replicator.
Now I know you're hiding spot. Basically. Okay, can we go for 2 kills? What about 2 kills? Don't get greedy. I'm not getting greedy. Calm down. It's fine. However, wouldn't be sad about it. Andy, I don't know. I'm only playing like this because I literally have no teammates. It's not like they're dead. And I'm like, oh, I mean, I'd be playing like this if they were dead too. But I literally have no teammates. And Signa, you're supposed to have teammates in this game. So I'm just chilling here.
Rings close. Only 1 minute to go.
Like, my whole shtick, and as the character I am, is to revive teammates. I don't have any teammates to revive. So, yeah.
45 until ring
Welcome
close.
to
It's
solo
near.
rank
Easy.
as a solo with the squad. Damn. I can't get over that. Also, 4 squads left. Can you guys kill each other, please?
30 seconds until close.
So your work is done.
Wicked.
Basically. Like, check. I bet there's one of, like, these on the other side. I think there is, so I can go, like, sneak onto it.
Just 10 seconds.
There was, like, a dude up there. Kill each other, please. I'll grenade the last. Basically. Doesn't come out here. It's probably gonna come out here. It's like a solo. I just glance at your stream and just see your solo. I am solo in Plat, Festus. In freaking Plat. Please don't touch me. I'm in zone here. Thank you. Nice.
Round 4.
Okay.
Beginning ring countdown.
Now
Let's
I want to
explore
get
this
there.
way.
I'm gonna just chill for a minute. Solo squad and stay firm. Yeah, I know. 24 points. Yay. Okay. I want to get on this.
Enemy taken out.
Hog.
Nah, here's my birthday present. Just giving my shield a recharge.
Oh my god, what a legend, dude.
There's nothing far.
I will break your shield. Damn lifeline.
30 seconds till close. Replay.
Pick him up, pick him up, pick him up, pick him up.
Only 10 seconds left. Enemy taken out. Only one more squad left. Just keep
What? I don't want them to loot either. Are they? Oh, I'm out of ammo. What would you do if I won?
Just giving my shield a recharge. Asta out. Asta. Recharging my shields.
The freaking Kraber? Are you kidding me? He in zone.
Let's go this way.
Where'd him grapple? Where'd he go? I would kill for proximity chat, dude.
Patch me up, though. Just giving my shields a recharge.
G friggin' G.
She's just built differently. Welcome to the highlight. Oh my god, dude. I'm the champion of the arena in flat solo. I'm the best. I'm just better, dude. I screenshotted it. Okay, I'm done. I'm done with ranked. I'm done with ranked today. For those of you that made it to the end of the video, I see you. Thank you so much for giving me some time out of your day. You can catch me on Twitch as well as Twitter at VampKiwi, capital V, capital K. Until next time, bye!